Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire our 30-watt LED drivers. First, remove the covers. Now wire AC to the input. Note we do not need an earth as 30-watt is a class 2 driver, double isolated. Please check the datasheet for supported dimmers. Also check the dimmer manufacturer's installation instructions as each are different. Our driver is wired, ready to test. The output will flash strobe if the load is greater than 30 watts. With modern digital dimmers like Insteon 2477D, the minimum dim level and speed is set by the dimmer switch. Thank you for watching.